Hello YouTube, welcome to iScoot Connecticut. I am your host, Robert. Today we are unboxing the M20 electric bike. I won this bike as part of the company's recent giveaway. The bikes were backordered, so it took a little longer to receive it. First thing we are going to do is a walk around and inspect the box for any gross damage. It seems okay, although it looks as if the box had been opened and then taped back shut. Now the exciting part, let's get this bad boy open. I always pull the large staples out first. You can cut yourself or scratch the bike's paint on them. You can clearly see that this box had been opened prior to arriving at my house. We will inventory the contents to make sure that nothing is missing. Here's a close-up of the contents before I pull out the bike. You can see that it is fairly well packed to prevent damage. I am going to find my neighbor and ask for some help to pull the M20 out of the shipping container. Some YouTubers cut the front of the box off, but you should keep the box intact just in case you have to return the entire bike. You can also lay the box on its side and slide the bike out if you are by yourself and cannot lift the bike. I am just going to speed up the video of taking off the zip ties and packing material. Everyone says this, but I have to repeat it. Be very careful cutting the zip ties. I use a small diagonal cutter. I have seen experienced YouTubers cut a wire or cable or even scratch the bike during the unpacking process. This is the dual battery version of the M20. Previously buyers got the second battery as a second shipment and had to install this. This is the first batch of United States bikes that has the second battery pre-installed. In addition to the bike, you should have the front wheel, front fender, a box with the charger, pedals, front axle, tools, and some stickers. Also a box with the headlight assembly. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. Please subscribe as I will be posting the assembly video soon. If you watch until the end, I added some still photos of the unboxing experience.
I do things the way I want to do them, make my own rules and listen to them. Won't let anyone go and rain on my parade. You know. I think I want a flame grill classic, a Whopper, sure does sound fantastic. And tell them how I want to have it, they say okay. You rule your season the day. Ebike, have it your way. If I want it special or just plain, the choice I make is my domain. With every order I can reign and have it my way. You know. The BK menu makes sure my stomach prospers. Onion rings, chicken fries, and Whopper.